Namaste. I made fresh jalebis.
Namaste, they look wonderful.
Thank you.
The best hat. Another beautiful day in the village. Another beautiful day in the village. Time to get these to the market. Almost there.
Good morning! A fine day for a stroll.
It is. Let's go to the market.
Good idea. I need some fresh fruit. I'll join you. Let's go!
Good morning, my friend. Time for milking.
Moo, I'm ready.
Good girl. Let's get a full bucket today.
I'll try.
All done. Thank you.
Hello, my friend. Welcome to our village. It's a beautiful day for a walk. Come, let me show you around. We have much to see.
Hello, I'd like some sugar, please. Of course. How much would you like? Half a pound, please. Here you are. That'll be 2 coins. Thank you. Have a good day.
Time to add the sugar. Now for the flour. A little oil to finish.
Namaste. I made fresh jalebis.
Namaste, they look wonderful.
Thank you.
The best hat.
I'm so glad. Have another.
Thank you. Your hospitality is wonderful.